Hello everyone, Will Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 6 for May 2024 Patreon STL files for D&D, Warhammer Proxy, and Figures. The link for the ones that we'll be looking at will be down in the description below. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share, and check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. We'll be starting with Puppet War Miniature. This is a Warhammer Proxies. I don't know if much is going to happen. Let's see, this month you're getting something Strikers and Orcs, Rookie Strikers Gunner, Rookie Strikers Gunner, and an Orc Colonial Wagon. So this was the pass. That's loyalty. So we're gonna get some Orcs and Gunners. Um, for last year, we got a lot of bits for our thing. So hopefully it will show some more stuff. Description down below. Go check them out. Next is Creature Armory. This is like a D&D slash sci-fi. I think we're doing sci-fi this time. We had the weird looking lich last time. We got, what's this? Adam and Eve diorama. Is this probably from Stella Blade? I don't know. I haven't played the game. I own the game, but Adam and Eve on it. Looks like a figure piece. Oshu minis. These are I got Tyranid or Zerg proxies if you like. For May release, we have flyers and we have looks like the Silent King on a throne, their version of it, and fungal spores and so forth for terrain. And you got a little bit of those little blow up things. So we got some Tyranid flyers. Very interested in that. It looks like the Silent King of it, I believe, of proxies of that for this month. 3D art guy. It's actually a very good one. They do mostly figure. They do a lot of varieties, everything for figures, and they can make it small enough for you to do your other stuff as well. We have some. I think it's a Primarch. I don't know what kind of Primarch though. I can't really see the whole detail of it. I think it's a custody. I think this is a custody ones. Yeah. Then we have Medusas with heads. Or a Naga. I don't know. Weird. You can change the heads around. We have a demon girl with a bow. Or a tiefling. Or just basically a demon girl with wings. So yeah. I think that's it, isn't it? No, there's more. We have a lady. Vampiric lady. I think that's good. I think this is this looks like Gilliman from the Ultra Space Marine Primarch. This is another Warhammer figure with the flamethrowers. It's not. I don't think it's Sisters of Battle. I think it's a female custody they just made for it. But yeah, we have a lot of stuff that's happening. This is stuff from a couple months ago. So this is a May gallery. Is making Evangelion? That'd be nice. I didn't really like the new Dune. Cyberforge Miniatures, a proxy of sci-fi and Warhammer proxies as well. We got Grid Runners. You can also use it for Necromunda if you enjoy Necromunda style gaming. So you know. Cool, and we have some Space Wolves from Warhammer 40k, proxies as well, and that females. That's a pretty cool looking thing. I like that chariot thing. I like their helmets better than the what Warhammer just re-released. I thought it was kind of crap. That is, terrain pieces, bases, and so forth. Next is Bad Guy, Eve Guy. This is like the by part of Arch Villain. They do a couple of other stuff. They're doing a Kickstarter right now for Moonson for it. And I'm trying to see what May is going to be. We have Drex, the one death. Kaza the Inflammable. That's a June release. May release the Queen Dissected. Looks like orcs. That's June. This is May, so we get those those four figures for this month. Lord's Archie. This is a figures. I don't think we have anything for May out right now. Uh, Still in tier one with Kim Possible. I don't think we got anything for May, but you can go check them out. This was what King Possible was, figure as an adult. Making Talent is another terrain piece of D&D. If you're interested, it looks like we have one of those tall thing that goes and takes over, go over castles. We got some battering rams as well and some weapons. So this is pretty cool. And figure out how to, I don't know how tall you're gonna make it, but you better make it, have enough, tall enough for, space, and you have your weapons rack as well. So that's cool. Anime Girl STL. First May Girl is Etoria Peto Dragon Lancer. So it's gonna get a build of that. Looks like it. Gamescape 3D, another terrain piece. May full preview. Looks like a ruined fort. This is best if you use an FDM printer for it. Resin printer is going to eat a lot and it's going to cost a lot more. Just letting you know. I hate when it does that. So yeah. You got some of these as well. But you can also make one out of foam, but that'll take a lot of time. I'll say that, but you know what? This is the reason why I'm going to try to save up for an FDM printer so I can print a lot of these things. Missed one. Vagrant Miniatures. For May release, we have, looks like their version of our Harley Quinn, but more of like a dark one with like a blade dancers, like assassins, I would say. Rada the Unblemished, Remar the Black, Ruckus Twice Death. Okay, it's for like D&D and stuff. Ethan Savage Studio, they do D&D minis for anime characters for it. So we got Link, Zelda. I think it's from Black Lagoon. I don't know what this girl's from. You have Jessie from Team Rocket. Do not know where this is from. So yeah. Let's see here. PAL 3D. They do diorama pieces. And they do other stuff as well. So we have like a bridge. And porticles and stuff. We have... These looks like Lord of the Ring ones. Those evil pirates. Got a chariot, that bow and stuff. That's on the mammoth. For it, that's what their headgear looks like. So Eastland Outpost, yeah. So this is part of the Lord of the Ring diorama pieces that they're doing. So yeah. Next one is Miniature Blueprint. We are doing, I think, elementals. So you have some nice looking ice elemental, lightning. I don't know how that is. Probably dark and light elemental, I'm guessing. So yeah, so you can probably evolve them, even small, medium, and large, for your D&D needs, I believe. Beast Bowl Miniatures, they haven't released anything in a while, but I'll put the link down for you guys so that you can check them out. Arcane Workshop. So they have the welcome pack discount wholesale. And for May, we have a Mind Lich Dragon. Looks like Snake Dragon. Doesn't look like a Snake Dragon. Looks like one of those Mind Flayer that took over Dragon. Lithic Dragon. That's some weird looking dragon, one eye. So yeah, I think we're getting just 2 dragons for this month. Large Battleship Studio. I think I have to say that for something else. Roland Art Workshop. May preview for it. So like a jelly woman, shark woman, and an anglerfish woman. And this is their human form. And STL, I think this is the pinup that we have for this month as well for their figures. Oh, not bad, not bad. I think this is the last one for this video. Is Mammoth's Factory Miniatures that are D&D minis. For it, this is May selection. Looks like we're gonna get a lot of bear and a wolf dragon too. Yeah, Lemut. Dire Bear Rider. I need some Dire Bear Riders. Oh, that's fucking grotesque. His eyes and stuff. 2, 3, 2. Anarchy, Clan, Spirit Talker. So we have Barbarians, I would say. And a little Dire Bear Cub. Kind of cute. Dire Wolves. We need some better looking Dire Wolves. I think this will hit. Man. Shit. That looks like that bear got a lot of damage in. So, yeah. I think it's pretty good print for D&D. Especially if you're going up into mountains and snow where a lot of the barbarians are at. So, if you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.